Studying engineering, you're going to be problem solving. It can be about electrical, electronics, systems, mechanical, and that problem solving can be anything from having to make a frame to hold something, or it could be trying to work out how to get the best out of an engine.
I came into professional cookery before this. Once I finished that, I decided I wanted to do something different, so I decided to look, and I ended up going into the first year of basic engineering systems. I've really enjoyed it.
To progress in my career, I need to fill in some gaps from uni, and that's why I came to college here.
Whatever level you do, you will study maths, so you know how much material to buy, or you're trying to work out how much current is going through a circuit, or how much thrust you're going to get out of an engine.
Learning new skills as far as things like CAD, all the way up to even just thinking about things a little bit differently. I think the nature of the course changes your mindset of looking at things ever so slightly.
We've had people going to aerospace, fabrication and welding. We've got good relationships with SSE, we've got control staff and lines operators as well.
It's a very comfortable environment, it's very friendly. If you're not sure on how to do something, the lecturers are happy to go over it with you, and because I think they're aware that a lot of the course can be a bit much if people have never looked at that subject matter before as well.
We've got fantastic welding and fabrication facilities. We've got our engineering, electrical and electronics lab, which is on the first floor. We've got our computing labs for all our simulation. We've got the aviation hub, which has flight simulators. There's students always working on there.
For anybody who is maybe thinking, oh, I wish I'd gone to college or university when I was younger, or anyone who maybe thinks that they missed the boat, it's definitely not too late. Take the jump, try it. It's a lot of fun, and I don't think you'd regret it if it's something you're interested in.